What's up, everybody? It's Wild Whiskey Wolf, and today I just wanted to go over all the aftermarket parts and mods that we've put on this 2021 Kawasaki Ninja ZX10R. So starting at the front, as you can see, we did the mirror delete, so I might not even get the blanking plates because it actually looks very clean how it is. So took the mirrors off, took the front reflectors off. You can see right here. Just makes a much cleaner look. The reflectors don't really do much, and they stick out a lot on the bike and look kind of ugly. So nice clean look. Let's see. Next mod we got is the Woodcraft frame sliders. Right now I do not have the domed ones on, but I plan to switch out these Woodcraft pucks for the Woodcraft domed pucks. I like them much better. They're kind of sticking more on the bike. I just got these for a deal and I decided to pick them up. I like to add some protection to the bike right off the bat. You know, when you make an investment into a motorcycle, it's good to protect it. Let's see, next mod we got the Spec tank grips. Love these. I put them on every bike I get. Great pads. Spec makes some awesome stuff, made in USA. So they just add a little better ergonomics to the bike, help you feel kind of connected to the machine more. Up top here we got the Driven Racing Halo fuel cap. Love this thing. Much lighter than the OEM gas cap, and with this one you don't need a key, obviously, so that's what makes it very convenient. And right below it we have the carbon fiber tank extender. This thing is phenomenal as far as improving the ergonomics on the machine. I love it. It makes you feel really connected to the bike, especially transitioning in turns and going through turns. So awesome mod. You can get these from a bunch of different companies. I got this one from MSS Performance, but yeah, they're just called a carbon fiber tank extender, and it's just a piece of carbon fiber that goes right over the OEM tank. Let's see, we got the EvoTech blanking plates for the rear of the motorcycle right here, and you know, these are just another cosmetic mod. They just add a beautiful clean look to the bike. When you change out the OEM exhaust, some exhausts utilize a bracket on this side where this blanking plate is, but the wonderful thing about the Aero WSBK Spec exhaust system is it does not utilize any type of bracket or plate right there. So a little more weight savings in that area, and also just a much cleaner look on the exhaust system. I mean, this thing is just amazing. Love the way it looks, and the performance once it's tuned is going to be incredible. And of course we can't forget the Aero WSBK Spec full titanium exhaust system. This thing it's so beautiful, man. It's awesome. Love it. It's a work of art. That's what I like to call it. Beautiful exhaust system, incredible weight savings. I mean, this was used on a WSBK riding team, so that lets you know what kind of quality this exhaust is. So yeah, moving on to the next mod we have is under the front rider's seat. It is the Speed Cell Lithium Ion 5.0 Superbike battery. This thing's super light. I love the Speed Cells because they have this quick disconnect feature. Made in USA. Great weight savings mod. I think I shaved about 4 or 5 pounds off the bike with this battery alone. Plus the benefits of lithium ion batteries are phenomenal. So good upgrade, good mod. Took some weight off the bike, and there it is. We have the Woodcraft Superbike Lifters. Got a pit bull stand that I'm using right now with them. But I love these Woodcraft Superbike lifters, very nice. I just like how the Superbike lifters don't stick out in the way some of the other spool systems do to jack up the rear of the bike. It also seems to, you're able to lift up the bike a little bit quicker, it seems like to me, with the lifters compared to the spool system. So that's what we got on this back end of the bike right now. All right, and then coming around to the rear of the bike, we got the TST Industries tail tidy kit installed, as well as the TST Industries integrated tail light. This thing is beautiful. And the cool thing about the integrated taillights, I actually have a video on it. I'll put it down in the description below, but you can change the turn signal flashing mode. So there's different programmed flashing modes that you can change between, whichever one you like better. So there it is. That's all the mods we got done to it so far. This is just the modifications and aftermarket parts we have installed so far. There's gonna be a lot more. I just wanted to keep you guys updated with what's been done to it so far. If you guys have any cool names for this bike, drop it down in the comment section below. I wanna hear everyone's name drop on what this bike should be called. So drop a cool name down below so we can figure out what we're gonna call this thing. And that's about it, guys. I'll see you guys around.